Hello everyone, this is Trade Gallery, and in this video I'm going to introduce, test, optimize and finally evaluate the most simple mechanical trading strategy for XAUUSD, the gold. And by testing, I mean observing and carefully reading about 12 years of 30-minute charts consisting of more than 2,000 trades. Imagine if writing a journal takes 30 seconds per trade, 2,000 trades would take roughly 1,000 minutes. And for optimizing, 1,000 different settings means 1 million minutes at least. And this takes around 17,000 days or 45 years of non-stop work. But before we continue, I have to warn you, we're going to learn really advanced content in a considerably short video, so get ready. Okay, I've talked about 45 years. I don't have that kind of time. You don't have it too. So I coded an expert for MT5 MetaTrader and I use optimization to find the best setting. And that's not all. Past performance does not guarantee future profit. There are many ways to evaluate a trading strategy. I use the best of them to estimate probabilities of profit in the future. The sad fact is that most YouTubers are not real traders. In the real world of trading, past performance is somewhat correlated with the future. But any good performance in past is not going to repeat itself. We, the real traders, observe the past carefully. But we know what we need is an estimation of the future. Let's go to our simple strategy. First, as I said earlier, the strategy is absolutely simple, just two indicators. And an Ichimoku Cloud. Ichimoku is a useful indicator with various theories, using lines, signals, and dynamic and static levels. However, for this strategy, we use the simplest one, breaking the cloud. So delete every other thing, expect the cloud, and trade. Tip number one, the simpler a trading strategy is, the more chance a trader has to optimize it in a way that works in the future. The second indicator is average to range ATR. And tip number two is that ATR 100 works most of the time better than the default ATR, the ATR 14. So I use it instead of the default length 14. I leave the smoothing mode as RMA, which is rolling moving average, as it is right now. Well, what are we going to do with optimization? I will try to find the best setting for this strategy over the last 12 years, and that's it. Okay, the rectangles which are hidden are not important at all. There are special use of experts that I don't use for this strategy. And the setting for Ichimoku are just clear. Just copy them from MT5 to the trading view or whatever platform you like. And as you can see, Tenkan-sen is 9, Kijun-sen is 104, and Sequence-span B is 312. Lagana span is fixed at 104, just like Kijun-sen. And now let's see some signals. Okay, this one is a sell signal, often in the cloud and close below it. And this one is a buy signal, open in the cloud and close above it. These are settings for ATR. The SL fact is 1.1. It means our stop loss should be set 1.1 times ATR. The hour to hour fact is 2. Simply, our reward is just 2 times bigger than our risk. If we lost $100 in a losing trade, by ignoring the commissions, swap, and spreads, we gain approximately $200 in a winning one. It means our TP is as 2 times bigger than our stop loss. Now let's search for trades. Look at this sell example again. Our entry point is here, right on opening of the next candle. Our ATR is 18.570. Thus, our stop loss is 20.427. Our take profit is just 2 times of stop loss. Okay, now I need a bullish example too. This is our buy signal. The entry is here. The ATR is around 12.509 and stop loss is roughly 13.760. And this was a phase one. We hit the stop loss on the opening candle. This is clearly another failed one actually. Don't rush, take it easy. Most of profitable traders find their winning rate below the 50%. They are profitable because of their risk to reward ratio, not because of their winning rate. But this one, again, I won't do the math. We are pretty sure that it was a winning trade. Risk amount is $25 per trade. It is not important at all. But the main question most beginners don't ask, how can you be sure about the profitability in the future? And the answer is, we don't. Yeah, we simply don't. We just evaluate the past and estimate the future. This is the equity curve of our backtest. In the middle of 2016, we saw a great upward move. That move was followed by some semi-bearish moves. Finally, it broke out of the bearish channel, and actually it was a bearish range, and started moving up again. Specifically, around March of 2022, another great upward move, pure profit, was seen. Right here, we have a kind of trend line which corresponds to price action theories. Yeah, this is the equity curve trading, and it works well. I also use the seasonal forecast formula in Excel. 4 good months and 2 bad months. That's a good sign of future growth. The normal forecast is not so optimistic about our strategy. A minus point we should consider. Seasonality of month is great. Only the third month of future trades, which is December, is risky. December is considered a third because we just end our test on last days of October. Forecast with 60% confidence level suggests we should abandon this strategy, another bad sign. Okay, in here you can see some evaluation scores. Okay, most about Sharpe ratio and recovery factor. Recovery and Sharpe ratios are great enough to cover some previous weak points. The initial deposit, which is just for testing, has minimal effect on the final result. And 97% historic quality is acceptable for me. Now, let's head to other factors. The performance of the previous month is important. Yeah, as expected, December is not good again. We might consider turning the expert advisor off for that month and turning it back on in January. Hours of the day are good filter too, but I don't use them since there isn't enough statistics behind them. Attention, this was just profitable in XAUUSD and for just 30-minute charts. As is obvious, it works awfully in some other instruments, even in the same time frame. Honestly, the more instruments a strategy works well with the same setting, the more chance of profit it got in the near future. this strategy lost points in that part too. But I think this strategy, actually this setup, is still a good one. This setup is optimized for this instrument and this time frame. Despite what some other traders claim, some maybe beginners, some I can say scammers say, and they claim most mechanical trading strategies. I'm just talking about mechanical trading strategy, not generally trading or trading strategy. Most mechanical trading strategies tend to work only in specific markets and time frames. If you find a setup that is profitable in EUR/USD or Euro dollar in a specific time frame, let's for instance consider 1 hour time frame, it is only profitable in that time frame and that instrument. Yeah, it might be accidentally profitable in other instruments and other time frames too, but we're not allowed to use it in other time frames. And every trader who have claimed that a mechanical strategy and setup should be profitable in all time frames and all pairs, or claim that I have a strategy that it is working in all time frames and all pairs, and all pairs, I mean all instruments, he or she is lying. There isn't such a thing in the world. There isn't the holy grail in the trading world when we are talking about mechanical trading strategies. We should just find mechanical trading strategies, test them on a specific time frame and instrument, and let it work itself. Now let's head to the next topic. According to the seasonal evaluation, I expect the next 6 months to be profitable for this setup. We are now on 26th of October, and I will upload this video in a day or two. And we should wait for the end of April 2026 to see if it was profitable or not. For the last vote, with all kind of evaluation and all kind of methods that I used, we are still talking about probabilities. And I have my own risk management and my own money management, which is really strict in, losing this strategy. If this strategy start to be a fail in the next 6 months, yeah, I might lose some things, but I will not lose all of my trading capital. It's just a small part of that. So take care of your hard-earned money, please. And also, I have to say again, it is just for educational purposes. I just want to show you how to evaluate the trading strategy. You can use it too, but I'm not responsible for that. Do your own research. Again, do your own research, because losing money on trades, specifically for beginners, is so hard. They will leave the trading. They will leave the trading market. And it's not the money that they lose. It's the most important thing is the opportunity to be a trader. They will lose it. So take care of your hard-earned money, specifically if you are a beginner. And also, at the end, I have to say, if you want the trading expert advisor for this strategy almost for free, just message me. It's all yours. The only price you pay is 2 clicks, like and subscribe. And your likes and subscribers also encourage me to make more videos like this. And this almost free option is only available till end of March 2026. Good day, traders.